Zombie apocalypse.
Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Tech Bunch. My name is Shubham Giri and I'm back with yet another video where I'll show you how you can make money online. So this platform is one of the Tutor website where all you need to do is sign up and appear for a simple test which consists of like 10 to 15 questions. You'll be given a Google form where you'll need to answer these MCQ questions in order to get qualified as an online instructor. So this website is called Tutor. And one of the many reasons why I chose this website is because it's really easy to get started as an expert or tutor out here, and you can really earn a huge amount of money just by answering basic questions. In this video, I'll give you a complete walkthrough of how you can get started on Tutor and start making money for yourself. So without any further ado, let's get started. This is the official sign up page for Tutor. I'll give you the link to this website in the description below, so you can just click on there and you can reach out here. So once you're here, all you need to do is sign up. Go ahead and give your details, give your password, and out here you have to get started as a student or a parent. And once you have signed up on their website, you'll get an option to become a tutor after logging into your account. So initially you need to sign up as a student or a parent. So in our case, I'll sign up as a student, grade as college, and simply click on register. And once you have clicked on that, you'll get a confirmation mail into your Gmail account or whichever account you have used in order to sign up here. So this is the link that you'll receive from them. All you need to do is click on confirm your account. So once you have signed in, we'll select your country and time zone and click on save. And once you have done that, you'll see this option called become a tutor after you have signed in as a student or be it parent. So simply click on become a tutor and click on tutor application. Click on yes, and this method will change your student account into your tutor account if you qualify as an expert. And out here all you need to do is fill out your basic details, so your photo ID, and here you have to select your schedule, like your hour of availability, like when you will be available, because at that time students may contact you and ask you for your session, be it for answering questions, be it like guidance in any subject. So make sure you fill out all these details based on your availability and give yourself a good username and give yourself a good profile picture. Click on apply and simply drag your mouse in order to make sure your face is visible. So click on apply, and once you have given all the details, simply click on next. And once you have clicked on that, now you need to fill out on your qualifications. And here are the list of subjects that you want to teach or you want to be an expert in. So go ahead and select the subjects that you know very well and you want to expertise or you want to share your knowledge with the students out here. So you can also select your teaching experience if you have any. Click on internet. If you have a LinkedIn profile, make sure you give out the correct link out here, because it will definitely help them in order to get your CV shortlisted. And upload your resume. Simply click on next. And this is the part where you have to give a short answer that they have asked. So the first question is describe your teaching experience in detail. If you have any past teaching experience, be it remote, be it physical, or even if you are a professional teacher, you can share your details out here. If you have any of these degrees, you can fill out your score. And here you have to basically in 1 or 2 lines you have to tell your students why you chose this subject. And once you're done with that, click on submit. And you will get this message: your application has been sent, and administrator will respond on your email once they have shortlisted your resume and further process would be just answer 10 to 15 multiple choice questions based on your core subject, and you can do that easily. And once you're done with the questions, once you have qualified, you are good to go as an instructor on Tutor. So that's how easy or convenient it is in order to get started as a tutor on Tutor. And I would recommend you guys to have an account out here as well, because it is global and you get pretty decent amount of money when you answer simple questions. So that was it guys from today's video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Bunch, because I'll be coming with videos like this one. And thanks for watching guys.